smiles, bigger adventures.
Soft morning light spreads across a green forest. Birds are singing happily.
This nest may be small, but it's full of love.
Small poor bird named Pip.
I may be poor, but my heart is rich.
On a tall, shiny tree lives Crow Blacky.
The view suits a king.
Good morning, world! Today feels wonderful!
Strong.
The richest bird in the forest.
I have everything.
Here you go. We help each other. Sing with me. Joy is everywhere. Here you go, little friends. Everyone deserves breakfast. What a beautiful day. I feel so lucky.
1, 2. Perfect.
My gold. My jewels. So much treasure, yet so quiet.
The forest felt it first. Something was coming.
The wind began to whisper. Then it started to roar. The storm had arrived. But the forest held strong.
Hold on. Hold on. We can do this. I won't give up. I'll stay strong. Oh no! Oh no!
My nest! My nest! My treasure! I'm cold. I'm scared.
Help me! Hey! You'll be safe!
But your nest, it's so small.
A small nest with kindness is better than pride. Please come in. Share with me.
Thank you. I understand now. Thank you, Pip. I feel safe.
The storm is gone. We're okay.
It feels different. Better.
I see things now. Clearly. I was rich, but lonely. You are happy.
I'm sorry for laughing.
Friends are the real treasure. It's perfect, just right.
Here you go, for everyone! I'm not alone anymore.
Come on, Blackie, let's fly! Money cannot buy happiness. Kindness and love are the true riches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more